Running a pressure washing business means always being prepared, but one day I faced an unexpected obstacle. My customer was selling their home and needed it cleaned urgently. However, when I arrived, I discovered their water hookup was rusted shut. With no time to waste, I began knocking on the neighbors' doors, hoping for a bit of assistance. After a few failed attempts, I finally met a kind neighbor who answered the door. I explained the situation, and to my relief, they agreed to let me use their water. I quickly set up my equipment, hooked it up to their water supply, and got to work. The house was thoroughly cleaned just in time for the real estate showing. I made sure to pay the neighbor for their help and thanked them profusely. Thanks to the neighbor's willingness to assist, my job was saved and the customer was more than satisfied with the result. It was a reminder that a little neighborly kindness can make all the difference.